Knight air compressors, built for quality, built with pride, built to last. In this video, we will go over the differences between the Quincy QT-7.5 and our fully packaged 7.5 horsepower industrial series air compressor. On the Quincy package, the operational pressure switch is outside of the control panel and must be wired into the control panel. There is no external on-off switch on the package. On our package, the pressure switch is included inside the control panel with an external on-off switch. Both compressor packages come with a NEMA 4 wiring and fittings to the NEMA 1 control panel. Our package has a self-tensioning motor plate to aid in the tension of the belts on the compressor package, where the Quincy package you must unbolt the electric motor to be able to tension the belts or replace the belts. When you receive a new Quincy package, the pump must be broken and broken procedures must be followed. The package also does not have a low oil monitor or centrifugal unloader. On our package, the pump is already broken in before you get the package, including a low oil monitor. For the tank drain, the Quincy package simply has a ball valve poking out of one of the feet. Our package has an automatic, pneumatically operated, automatic tank drain. The Quincy package is manufactured with a hard copper line that is installed with compression fittings to the check valve and the compressor head. Over time, these can break due to fatigue from vibrations. Our package is built with a stainless steel flexible line connected by GIC fittings. Our package also has a belt guard mounted aftercooler to cool the discharge air down before it goes into the tank, dropping over 70% of the moisture off in the tank, not allowing it to go down line into your tools or process equipment. This is then taken out of the tank by the automatic tank drain. Our package also has a wire and pan belt guard to aid in protection from the moving components of the compressor package. Our package has a cast iron intercooler to go from your low to your high pressure stages in the compressor package. The Quincy package has a hard copper tube that goes from their low to their high pressure stages in the compressor pump. Our package is built with a two-piece tank and top plate, whereas the Quincy package is welded top plate to the compressor tank. Both packages come with a discharge ball valve as standard. The Quincy package is a reed valve pump. To service the valves, you must disassemble the entire head of the compressor, replacing multiple gaskets. On our pump, the valves are easily removable from the top of the head with a simple valve tool. You do not have to disassemble the entire head of the compressor and can replace valves individually versus having to replace the whole head of the compressor package. Next, we will do a simple noise test from approximately 9 feet away from the compressor packages. Next, we will do a 10-minute run test to check the discharge temperature of the compressor pump and where the air comes out of the compressor tank.